Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about online learning. Like online learning is everywhere these days, right? So you see courses on every platform, literally every platform, promising great results. But let's be honest, do they actually help? Like, can an online course really get you a job? So today I'm going to talk about the reality of online learning and whether after pass out is actually worth it for freshers looking for jobs or internships. So now let's talk about what usually helps with an online course. Now, whenever you go through any online course, you enroll in a program, watch some videos, complete a few assignments, and get a certificate. But what's next? You're still stuck asking the same questions. Will this help me get a job? So now I'll tell you the truth. You all might be knowing. So the truth is most online courses just give you theory. They don't offer real world skills, they don't connect you with hiring companies, and they even don't prepare you for actual job interviews. So that's why so many freshers end up collecting certificates but still struggling to get placed. And here is the reason this is where After Pass Out stands out. It's not just online course platform. It's completely a career platform. Instead of just giving you a lectures, it helps you with learning job ready skills with hands-on projects and get access to exclusive jobs and internships listing, preparing for interviews, receive direct placement support as well. What else do we need now? So instead of just learning theory, you just here get practical experience that actually makes your job ready. And here's why so many freshers choose after pass outs. Like they are really happy and satisfied with the courses available in after pass out. The project based learning, you don't just listen to lectures, you work on real industry projects that companies look for in candidates. And here you'll get exclusive job portals as well. Unlike LinkedIn or Naukri.com, where freshers struggle to get noticed, after pass out has companies actively hiring. They're actively hiring companies available for the candidates. And placement assistant or dedicated team helps you build a resume as well. So prepare for interviews and everything. Okay, whatever it's needed for an industry. And they also have job oriented curriculum. The training is not generic, it's designed based on real industry requirements so that you learn what actually matters in the job market. And the best part is in everywhere, review matters a lot. So here we have the best part that it's already working for many freshers. I've literally seen students who were struggling for months to land a job, but after pass out, but after joining after pass out, they finally got placed in top companies. That's because recruiters trust real world skills and practical experiences, not just certificates. Okay, so now you all tell me. You all will think and tell me that is after pass out actually helpful? Of course, yes. Everyone's answer would be yes if you're serious about getting a job. But here's the catch: just watching videos won't help you. You need to put in effort to learn and apply the skills, right? So if you're ready to invest in your future and take the right steps, this platform can be a game changer for your career. So, if you're tired of applying jobs and getting no response, this is your chance to fix it. Check After Pass Out, explore the program, start your journey toward successful career, and learn, get skilled, hired only with After Pass Out. Thank you so much.